Hello, today I will show you and prove that the ISS does not fly at this altitude of 400 kilometers, but much lower. Enthusiasts around the world launch balloons, probes and even rockets into space to see what our planet is and did not notice that their ships at most rise to a height of 53 kilometers, and then this is if you launch a probe from the territory of Greenland and if, for example, from South America, Australia or South Africa. Then the probe does not rise above 20 kilometers. Is the Earth still?
Нам же показывают видео из космоса, что Земля шар, точнее круглая.
3, 2, 1, let go!
Have a dome. Why the Earth from space is round? You see, it is also allegedly round above the Earth. And the whole thing is in the camera lens and in the refraction of the air. So their ball rose to a height of 27 kilometers from something, hit and burst on the video. This is recorded. And even more amazing, once at an altitude of 27 kilometers, the balls fly and a sound is heard, which means there is air there. But back to our ISS station, here is a video from it on it. We see that the astronauts dropped a large the detail. And it didn't fly into space, but slowly began to fall towards the ground. But the main thing, compare visually the distance to the Earth in this video from the ISS, which supposedly flies at an altitude of 400 kilometers, and the video with the balloon. You see that difference in distance to the Earth. ISS balloon proves that cosmonauts do not fly at altitudes of 400 kilometers because something interferes with them, and this is the dome of the Earth with a maximum height of 53 kilometers. So lunar masked satellites fly at altitudes ranging from 20 to 30 kilometers. Nothing flies along such a trajectory over the South Pole of Antarctica because there the dome is very close to the ground. Who like this video, put likes and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.